Alright, been trying to do this voiceover all day. I did start it, but then it messed up, so I had to get out of it, and um, get back in it. But I had started this earlier this morning, and then we were trying to buy a house, and we always hit roadblocks, and then I got super excited in the middle of recording this, so I had to stop, compose myself, and it's just taking me all day. I feel like I'm in a dream because all of our conditions have been cleared, so we get to close on the house of my dreams. So I'm super excited. I love that house, and I did not want to lose that house because of some stupid condition. So yay. Now I can start to seriously pack. Anyway, so I'm using Basil cardstock, and those are doilies from my stash, and I just simply used acrylic paint, and I painted them different colors. I did that like a while ago. When I had the acrylic paint out, I just painted two, I think the large ones, two or three of the smaller ones of the different colors that I wanted. So some of them are just regular paint, and some of them are metallic paint. And you know, when I record, Theo and Patton are there. Drives me insane. Even if they're not in the room, they still, it's like they got camera dart or something. They have a radar that tells them when I set up my camera. So I do apologize. I just keep going, and I work around them, and I'm sorry. Anyway, so the photo mat is just pink Basil cardstock as well. And I'm going to use that green floral, which is Pink Fresh Studios, my favorite story. Because I'm a bit behind. I'm on the January kit right here. Because, well, yeah, because, well, I did these a while ago. Well, not a while ago, but I don't know, maybe 2 months ago. Anyway, and yeah, because I did those. I don't remember, but anyway, no, about a month ago, because at this point we had made an offer on the house, because my husband's like, oh, we need to pack, and I'm like, we don't even know, we're going through the loan process, we don't even know. Been down that road before. Anyway, so that floral layer is Pink Fresh Studio, my favorite story, Bloom and Grow. Anyway, sorry. I'm down to her and I have been friends since grade school. Yeah. Alright, sorry. And I'm going to put those down, and then I'm going to start layering die cuts. Oh my gosh, my husband is driving me insane. He wants to go look at the house because we get to do a walkthrough probably Sunday. I don't know. I'm waiting on her to let me know what our next steps are in walkthroughs and transfers of funds and blah, blah, blah. Changing the electric and the water over because I'll have to pay for water. Never had to pay for water before, so this should be interesting. And yeah, and he's driving me nuts. Can we look today? Tell her today. Just tell her today. And I'm like, I don't get to decide that. I swear, men, pushy. I mean, I'm dying to go too because when we went to look for the house, the realtor was, and Joyce is sweet, but she was always talking to me, so I didn't get a chance to really look. I like to open cabinets and drawers and look in the fridge and just go through and just leave me alone and just let me look, let me open things. I'm bad. I like to open things. And I didn't get to because she was talking to me, and then when I would try to walk away, my husband's like, she was talking to you. Get back over there and talk to her. And I'm like, oh. And then when I did get away and I wanted to go look, I get, hey, Annette, come over here. And it's like, oh. So I want to go and look. So hopefully I get the keys, and then he's at work, and I can just go alone and just, I don't know. Anyway, so enough on that. So my die cuts are Pink Fresh Studios, My Favorite Story. I'm going to use some of those bows again. And they're, sorry, Pink Fresh Studio, My Favorite Story as well. And I'm going to use a lot of these flowers because it's a girl page, and I'm usually, if I have any die cuts left, it's flowers. I mean, I love flowers, but I find it harder for me to use flowers on any sort of layout. I just can't use it on any layout. Usually it has to be baby or girls or layout because we're near flowers or something like that. I don't know. So I put a lot on here. And then I also do my title. I think I'm going to try to use some of the other die cuts. Man, I'm getting tired. I didn't sleep good last night. My husband makes me leave the kitten out, and then all I do is worry that something's going to happen to her because her and Coco haven't really bonded yet. So I'm scared. I mean, Coco has growled at her a few times, and so it makes me nervous because they'll go out play, and then Coco is starting to whine because she wants at the kitten in a playful way, but the kitten hisses and spits, and if the kitten does that in Coco's face, she's gonna snap because that's like her fighting words there. Anyway, they're moving my camera. They're playing fighting or something, and it's like, really? So I apologize for that. So now it's just a matter of trying to get all of these glued down without having to take every single one off. So that takes me a little while. So this takes me a little while to do. Because I put a lot on there. Oh boy. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to use the floral die cuts as a basis to lay my die cuts. And I'm gonna plug in my tablet. Oh my goodness. Coco, your Rebecca will be here on Monday. I need to also remember to do a forward of address. So my mail gets forwarded to the new address, right, Coco? Yeah. I'm having a time getting them to stick. Like I didn't put enough glue or something. Frustrating sometimes. I'm going to have to check on the kitten. I kicked her out and brought Coco in there because she keeps whining. Alright, and then I'm going to do my title, which Cute is the Hip Kit Club's alphabet stickers from a past kit, and Smile is Pink Fresh Studio, my favorite story. And so I'm going to let you watch me put down those, and then that's it. So thanks for watching, guys, and when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Bye.